Kiran.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening.
How are you, sir?
Yeah, I'm in the bed of roses.
That's
Uh,
great.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening. So sorry, guys. Today, actually, what I did, I was in a meeting, and that meeting was going very, very long. So, by the way, we'll get back to our class once again. So, last time I have spoken to you about what we did yesterday. Yeah, saying about
Uncountable.
uncountable
Uncountable.
snacks. Yeah, exactly. So let's go once again quickly here. Uh, can you please mute yourself, all of you, so I can explain this once again, and we can go with our curriculum now. Now, we are going to make sentences with our determinants and quantifiers. Determinants and quantifiers are what? These are the words which show quantity, correct? We have two types of determinants in English, countable and uncountable determinants. And some of them are countable as well as uncountable. For example, some we can use some for countable as well as uncountable. A lot of things what? बहुत. We can use a lot of with countable as well as uncountable. Any matlab any koi, we can use any for countable as well as uncountable. Next one, apart from this one, many, a few, fewer numbers we are using only for countable nouns, and much, a little less we are using only for uncountable nouns. As you can see the quantity. So now today I'm going to make sentences with our determinants and quantifiers. So let's get started with a new topic today, and that's what 13th October 2020. So till now we were making sentences normally, correct? अभी तक के हम लोग जो सेंटेंस बना रहे थे बहुत नॉर्मल सेंटेंस बना रहे थे. अभी हम लोग क्या करेंगे, डिटरमिनर्स के साथ में सेंटेंसेस बनाएंगे. तो डिटरमिनर्स के साथ में सेंटेंस हम लोग बनाने वाले हैं, वो सेंटेंस बनेगा कैसे? सो वी आर गोइंग टू सी सम ऑफ द रूल्स. यहाँ पे हम लोग कुछ रूल्स देखेंगे सेंटेंस बनाने के, उसके बाद हम लोग जाएंगे आगे हाउ टू मेक सेंटेंसेस विद देम. ओके, लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड ओवर हियर. ये फाइल आप लोग के क्लासरूम पर है. हाँ, so here we go. We are going to make sentences with there are. आज हम लोग सेंटेंस बनाने वाले हैं there are के साथ में. Now when do we use there are? There are कब यूज करते हैं हम लोग? When something is near, when something is away, कब यूज करते हैं? Who can tell me?
Something is away from
Okay,
you.
okay. When something is away, or now.
Plural.
Plural.
Very good. Now I'll tell you one more thing, that we can use there when something is away and when something is near as well. दोनों के लिए यूज होता है. I'll tell you how. For example, we can say there is a phone in my pocket. There is a phone in my pocket. मेरे pocket में एक phone है. So pocket is near me. I can use there for near. For example, there are two shops. वहाँ पे दो shops हैं. I can use there for away as well. Okay. So we can use there for away as well as near. Therefore away as well as near. नजदीक के लिए भी और दूर के लिए भी हम लोग use कर सकते हैं there. Okay. Point number 2. Now, statement, question, negative. This time we are going to make sentences with quantifiers and determiners in English. All right. For example, there are two students. अभी तक के हम लोग क्या खाली क्या करते थे? These are students. Are these students? These aren't students. Normal sentence बनाया हम लोगों ने. Now we are going to make sentences with determiners. For example, there are two students. There are few students. There are many students. There are some students. There are billion students, etc. If you see statement is there, yes statement है. Statement के पास में मैंने एक bracket बनाया हूँ. one single bracket is there. Correct? Statement में single bracket है. Means what? We can use with the statement determinants and quantifiers while making statement. Sentence के अंदर statement में we can use their determinants or quantifiers. Okay? Determinants हम लोग use कर सकते हैं statement में. For example, there are 2 students, there are few students, there are some students, there are many students, there are billion students, etc. Next, question बनाते टाइम पर क्या आएगा? Question are there are का क्या हो जाएगा? Zigzag. Are there are का बनेगा? Are there. So are there any students? We can use their any. Big, you can see their big what bracket. Are there any students? We can use their any, or we can use their are there 2 students, are there few students, are there many students, are there some students, are there billion students, etc. We can use the 2 things. Are there determinants and are there any? In the question we can use 2 things. Question we can use determinants or any. दोनों में से कुछ एक यूज कर सकते हैं हम लोग. And in the negative के अंदर क्या आएगा? Only any. Are you seeing there any bracket?
No, sir.
No, there is no any bracket. So there aren't any students. There aren't any students. In the negative we are going to use only any. Negative में हम लोग क्या यूज करेंगे? सिर्फ और सिर्फ any. Alright? Okay? So sentences ऐसा बनेगा. अब ऐसा क्यों बनेगा? I'm going to share with you now. Now we are going to make sentences with plural countable noun first. Plural countable noun. Sentences we are going to make with there are. There are. Now we are going to make sentences with according to our chart. अपना chart है ना, उसके according हम लोग sentences बनाने वाले हैं. So in the chart, what is the first determiner? What is
Many.
Many.
Some.
Now we are going to make sentences with some with countable noun and some with uncountable noun. Correct? This line is used for countable as well as uncountable. Correct? So now, first we are going to make sentences with some. Some we are using for countable noun as well as uncountable noun. So we are going to make sentences first with countable noun. For example, plural countable noun, there are. Sentences will be with some. Okay? Some. What? Statement, question, negative. Okay? For example, first letter capital. There are there, there aren't. Okay? Now, there are some. In the determiners, in the statement, we are going to use the determiners. Correct? Statement में हम लोग क्या use करेंगे? Determiners use करेंगे. What determiner are we going to use over here? Some. Okay? There are some. Plural countable noun, I'm taking a word. There are some cars. वहाँ पे कुछ cars हैं. Next question.
Are there some cars?
Very good.
Are there any cars?
Correct. Are there some cars or are there any cars? दोनों में से कुछ एक लगा सकते हैं हम लोग. We can put there a determiner or we can put there an any. ध्यान देना, हाँ, पुराने ऐसे सेंटेंस के ऐसा नहीं है, ये थोड़ा अलग है. In questions we can use their determiners or we can use their any. दोनों में से कुछ एक यूज करना है. And in the negative क्या आएगा वहां पर? There aren't
Aren't some cars? Aren't.
there aren't any
Cars.
okay? वहां पे उसको aren't नहीं बोलना है, क्या बोलेंगे हम लोग उसको मैम?
Aren't.
Silence. Okay? Aren't. So there are some cars. Question: are there some cars or are there any cars? A negative: aren't any cars. All right? Now my question is there to all of you. How many of you are thinking, अरे यार ऐसा क्यों है? Some, last में any. ऐसा क्या बरो? How many of you are thinking the same? ऐसे सेंटेंस क्यों आ रहे? पहले कितना अच्छा था ना? This is a car. Is this a car? This isn't a car. This is a bag. Is this a bag? This isn't a bag. अभी क्या है ये? There are some cars. Are there some cars? There aren't any cars. कितने लोग सोच रहे हैं ऐसा कि बाबा ऐसा क्यों हो रहा है?
Me, sir.
Yes.
Very good. 2 लोग खाली सच्चे हैं, बाकी तो सब झूठे मेरे क्लास के अंदर. अरे बोलो, पता रहेगा तो नहीं पता. अच्छा, because the translation is going in the same way. For example, there are some cars. Some म्हणजे थोड़े, कुछ. Okay, हम लोग क्या बोलते हैं, तिथे थोड़े कार्स आहेत, वहां पे कुछ कार्स हैं. There are some cars. Okay, क्वेश्चन पूछते टाइम पे हम लोग कैसे पूछते हैं, are there some cars, क्या वहां पे कुछ कार्स हैं, तिथे थोड़े कार्स आहेत का, थोड़े कार्स आहेत का तिथं, वहां पे कुछ कार्स हैं क्या, थोड़े कार हैं क्या उधर, are there some cars. और हम लोग दूसरे तरीके से क्वेश्चन पूछते हैं, सेकंड टाइप से हम लोग क्वेश्चन पूछते हैं. फॉर एग्जांपल, आर देयर एनी कार्स, तिथे काही कार्स वगैरे आहेत का, काही म्हणजे एनी, तिथे काही कार्स वगैरे आहेत का, आर देयर एनी कार्स, वहां पे कोई कार्स वगैरह हैं क्या, आर देयर एनी कार्स. एंड नेगेटिव, व्हाइल सेइंग नेगेटिव वी से दे आरंट एनी कार्स, वहां पे कोई कार नहीं है, तिथे कुठली कार वगैरे काय नाहीये, तिथे कोणतीही कार नाहीये. मीन्स व्हाट, दे आरंट एनी कार्स. आपण बोलतो तिथे 5 कार नाहीयेत, 6.5 आहेत, बोलतो आपण असं. No, we don't say like this. Correct? We say there aren't any cars. वहाँ पे कोई cars नहीं है. There aren't any cars. वहाँ पे कोई cars नहीं है. All right? So like that, we are going to say there in the negative, there aren't any cars. Any doubts?
Any मतलब सर zero ना, मतलब
हाँ, zero. Any मतलब यानी zero. Zero का exactly zero भी नहीं होता है. Any का मतलब होता है कोई भी कार नहीं है वहाँ पर.
कोई भी नहीं, nothing.
No, correct. Okay. All right. So now we are going to make sentences with plural countable noun. Okay, with some. You have to take a plural countable noun, some, and you have to make sentences. You have to make sentences. All right. Good. Can you please give me some sentences with there are some? There are some. One by one, one by one. First, Jyotsna ma'am will make a sentence. Then Chaitali madam. Next, Osama. Next, after Osama, Karthik is there. After Karthik, Guddu is there. After Guddu, Kiran is there. After Kiran, Pradeep is there. After Pradeep, Shivdas is there. And after Shivdas, Jyotsna ma'am will start once again. Okay, Jyotsna ma'am, can you please start?
Okay. There are some peoples. Are there some peoples? There aren't any peoples.
Very good. Next, people.
सर people आएगा ना?
People, not people.
Yes लगेगा ना sir?
No. People is already plural, ma'am.
Okay. Okay sir.
People already plural hai, not people. Very good. Continue. Next.
There are some flowers. Are there some flowers? There aren't any flowers.
Very good, girl. Next.
There are some cups. Are there any cups? There aren't any cups.
Very good. Next.
There are some boxes. Are there some boxes? There aren't any boxes.
Very good.
There are some bikes. Are there any bikes? There aren't any bikes.
Very good. Next.
There are some books. Are there any books? There aren't any books.
Very good. Next.
There are some chairs. Are there some chairs? There aren't any chairs.
Good. Next. Das. खतरनाक माणूस पटकन. I think he has some problem. Okay, just okay. Yes, you just repeat.
Okay sir.
No, he has some problem.
Sir, people का singular क्या है?
Person.
Okay sir.
Person का
Thank you.
plural होता है people. Person का plural होता है people.
Okay sir.
Okay.
Sir,
Person का plural.
Okay sir. There are some students. Are there some students? There aren't any students.
Very good. कितने लोग ऐसे जिसको अभी भी नहीं समझा ये? Please tell me now.
Sir, I have one question.
Yeah. Please.
Sir, plural आपने क्यों लिए सर? Singular क्यों नहीं लिए यहाँ पे?
क्योंकि अभी देखो there are some मतलब है नहीं कुछ, तो कुछ के अंदर एक आएगा क्या?
नहीं सर.
नहीं आएगा, plural आएगा. Same case. There aren't any problems. Any कोई भी नहीं है मेरे पास में, तो वहाँ पे हम लोग zero नहीं लेंगे क्योंकि देखो हमारा कैसा आ रहा है? There are some cars. Are there some cars और are there any cars? वहाँ पे कोई है क्या? तो plural ही लेना पड़ेगा.
Okay सर, मतलब आपने some है, some की वजह से सर plural लिया. Okay.
Exactly. क्योंकि some का मतलब क्या होता है? कुछ. Okay. थोड़े. Good. Yeah. Please continue. Yes, continue please. Chaitali. start.
There are some bureaus. Are there some bureaus? There aren't any bureaus.
Next.
There are some machines. Are there any machines? There aren't any machines.
There are some watches. Are there some watches? There aren't any watches.
Very good. Next.
There are some shoes. Are there any shoes? There aren't any shoes.
Very good. Next.
There are
Shoes.
some company. Are there
There are.
any companies? There aren't any company.
There are. There are.
There are.
Good. Next. Next.
There are some mobiles. Are there some mobiles? There aren't any mobiles.
Very good. किरण बोलायचं का नाही आपल्याला?
There are some birds. Are there some birds? There aren't any birds.
Very good. Next.
There are some horses. Are there some horses?
There are
Aren't
some
any
goats.
horses.
Good. Next. Yeah, Shivdas.
There are some clothes. Are there some clothes? There are any clothes.
Very good. There are some gloves. Are there some gloves? There aren't any gloves. Next.
There are some trees. Are there some trees? There aren't any trees.
Very good. Next.
There are some ring. Are there any ring? There aren't any ring.
Rings. Rings. Very good.
Rings.
Next. There are some. This batch is going good. Cool now.
There are some birds. Are there any birds? There aren't any birds.
Good. Next.
There are some mangoes. Are there some mangoes? There aren't any mangoes.
Very good. Can you please take these words and make sentences now? There are some. Yes. Ma'am, start.
There are tall buildings. Are there tall buildings? There aren't any tall building.
Very good. There are some tall buildings. Are there some tall buildings? There aren't any tall buildings.
Any tall building.
There are some island. Are there some island? There aren't any island.
दोस्तानी मिस्टेक केली. काय मिस्टेक आहे?
आइलैंड के प्लूरल नहीं करके नहीं बोला.
ए जो बैठ रहे दोस्त.
Any sir.
दोस्त.
Any.
दोस्त.
Island is singular, sir.
Correct. Actually, Guddu ने सही बोला है. But you have to speak up in English, Guddu. That's what he didn't make it plural.
Yeah.
There are some islands.
Islands.
Good.
Okay, so
Yes, there are some.
there are some eggs. There are some eggs. Are there any eggs? There aren't any eggs.
Very good. Eggs.
There are some buildings. Are there some buildings? There aren't any buildings.
Very good. Madams.
There are some satchels. Are there any satchels? They aren't any satchels.
These satchels. Very good. Next. Kiran.
There are some
There are
capsules.
tubes.
Are
Are
there any capsules? There aren't any capsules.
कौन बता?
Good.
अरे भाई बोल.
Yes, Guddu.
There are strips. There are
Some.
sorry. There are some strip tubes. Are there any strip tube? There aren't any strip tube.
Yes, Jyotsna ma'am.
Hello, sir.
Yeah, Pradeep. Speak up.
Skyscraper means.
Tall buildings. बड़े-बड़े buildings होते हैं ना उसको skyscrapers बोलते हैं.
Okay.
There are some air hostess. Are there any air hostess? There aren't any air hostess.
Good. Chaitali.
There are some correction pens. Are there any correction pens? There aren't any correction pens.
Very good. अगं मध्ये असं घुसायचं बिसायचं धक्का बिक्का द्यायचं सगळ्यांना मला बोलू दे जरा.
There are some matches. Are there some matches?
ये देखो.
There
He's my
aren't
bhai.
any matches.
Very good boy. Karthik is my
There
brother.
are some charm.
Yeah.
Are there any charm? There aren't any charm.
Very good.
Any charm.
Jyotsna ma'am.
There are some batteries. Are there some batteries? There aren't some batteries.
Any batteries?
Any batteries. Okay.
There are some switchboards. Are there some switchboards? There aren't any switchboards.
Very good, Osama.
There are some vandals. Are there any vandals? There aren't any vandals.
Guddu. Pradeep.
There are some escalator. Are there
Escalators.
Are there any escalator? There aren't any escalator.
Very good. Next, Kiran.
There are some school bags. Are there any school bags? There aren't any school bags.
Very good. Continue. Next, Sam.
There are some pianos. Are there any pianos? There aren't any pianos.
Good. Next,
There are
Please, are there some batteries? There aren't some batteries.
any batteries?
Any batteries?
Okay. Yes, ma'am.
There are some islands. Are there some islands? There aren't any islands.
Islands. Very good. Next, Chaitali.
There are some trumpets. Are there any trumpets? There aren't any trumpets.
Very good. Yes, next,
there are some
Kiran.
bed sheets. Are there any bed sheets? There aren't any.
Very good. Karthik.
There are some clock. Are there some clocks? Sorry, clocks. There aren't any clocks.
Very good. Now, have a look here. Some we can use for plural countable noun, correct? Some we are using for countable nouns. See, determinants and quantifiers. We have two types of determinants, quantifiers, countable and uncountable. Some is used for countable as well as
Uncountable.
Uncountable.
uncountable. Now, we are going to make sentences with some with uncountable nouns. Now, uncountable noun, there are. So now while making sentences with uncountable, can we use are? No. With uncountable, what can we use? Can we use are? No, we don't use are. What do we use with uncountables? Ah, very good. Is. We use there is. Uncountable के लिए use करते हैं अपन is. Are use नहीं करेंगे. Because are we are using for plural countable noun. Now, uncountable noun, there is. There is with some. There is some. Okay. Now, statement, question, and negative. Okay. Sentences with uncountable nouns with some. Sentences with uncountable nouns with some. For example, there is some. There is some what?
Water.
Uncountable noun देना है. Ah, very good. There is some water. तिथे थोड़ा पानी आए. अभी यहाँ पे ध्यान दीजिए. There is some water in the glass. Glass में थोड़ा पानी है. थोड़ा म्हणजे some. There is some water in the glass. Next one. Question.
Are there some water?
No.
Is there any water?
There
Is there some water or is there?
Any water left in the glass?
any water?
Correct. Any water? Is there some water or is there any water? And negative?
There isn't
There
any water.
Isn't
There
any
isn't.
water.
There isn't
water.
any water. वहाँ पे कोई पानी भी नहीं काय नहीं है तिथं. There isn't any water. So there isn't any water. In the negative. There is some water. वहाँ पे थोड़ा पानी है. Is there some water? क्या वहाँ पे थोड़ा पानी है? There isn't any water. वहाँ पे कोई पानी भी नहीं काय नहीं है तिथं. There is some honey. Is there any honey? There isn't any honey. So water is what? Uncountable noun. Now you have to take uncountables and you have to make sentences with them. Okay, you have to take uncountables and you have to make sentences with them. For example, there's some luggage. Is there some luggage? There isn't any luggage. There is some bread. Is there some bread? There isn't any bread. There is some ice. Is there some ice? There isn't any ice. There is some paper. Is there some paper? There isn't any paper. As you can see, uncountables in front of you. दिख रहा है आपको uncountables? Take an uncountable noun and make sentence with it. One by one, one by one. Okay, Jyotsna ma'am first. Second, Chaitali. Third, Osama. Fourth, Kiran. Fifth, Guddu. Sixth, Karthik. And seventh, Shivdas. Pradeep gela padon. Chala.
There is some money. Is there some money? There isn't any money.
Very good. Next.
There is some time. Is there some time? There isn't any time.
Very good. Next.
There is some sugar. Is there any sugar? There isn't any sugar.
Good. Next.
There is some some rice. Is there some rice? There isn't some rice.
Any rice? There isn't any rice. Next.
There are some soap. Are there some
There is.
soap?
There is, brother, there is.
There is some soap. Is there some soap? There isn't any soap.
Good. Good. Next. Kiran.
There is some paper. Is there any paper?
There isn't any.
There isn't any paper.
Very good. Shivdas.
There is some milk. Is there any milk? There
isn't any milk. Good boy. Madam Jyotsna.
There is some information. Is there some information? There isn't any information.
Good. Next.
There is some tea. Is there some tea? There isn't any tea.
Good. Next.
There is some glue. Is there any glue? There isn't any glue.
Good. Next.
Come.
Do.
Yes, there is some cheese. Is there some cheese? There isn't any cheese.
Good. Next.
There is some salt. There is some salt. There isn't any salt.
There is some space. Is there some space? There isn't any space.
Very good.
There is some time. Is there any time? There isn't any time.
Very good.
There is some
There
enjoyment.
is there is any
some
is there
sand.
there isn't any tea.
Good. Yes, Shivdas. There is some sand.
There is some sand. Is there any sand? There isn't any sand.
Very good. Next, Jyotsna ma'am.
There is some space. Is there some space? There isn't any space.
Very good. Next.
Yes.
There is some toothpaste. Is there some toothpaste? There isn't any toothpaste.
Good. Next.
There is any salt. Is there is any salt? This there isn't any salt.
Very good. There is some salt. Is there any salt? There isn't any salt.
There is some coffee. Is there some coffee? There isn't some coffee.
Any
There
coffee?
is some newspaper. Is there some newspaper? There isn't any newspaper.
There
There
is
is
bread.
some
Is there any
sand.
bread?
Is there some
isn't any bread.
sand? There isn't any sand.
Good. Bread, sand. Next.
There is some honey. Is there any honey? There isn't any honey.
Very good. Next.
There is some sand.
There is-
Is there any sand? There isn't any sand.
Good. Next.
So sand or salt?
There is some
Salt is different. Salt मतलब नमक. And
हाँ,
sand
okay.
बालू रहता है ना?
हम्म.
चलो, let's go. Continue.
There is some bread. Is there some? There
There is some money. Is there some money? There isn't any money.
Good. Next.
There is any information? Is there is any information?
There is some
There
information.
isn't any. Yes. There is any information. Isn't information.
Good. प्रदीप स्टेटमेंट मध्ये आपल्याला सम टाकायचे तिथं.
हो सर.
There is some time. There is some time. There isn't some time.
Any time.
Anytime.
Good. Jyotsna ma'am.
There is some
There is some fun. Is there any fun? There isn't any fun. Any
Very
fun?
good. Ma'am.
There is some accommodation. Is there any accommodation? There isn't any accommodation.
Good. Next.
Sir,
There is
sir,
some
accommodation
enjoyment.
का meaning क्या है?
Land. राहण्याची जागा.
Okay, sir.
Good.
There is
Next.
some enjoyment. Is there some enjoyment? There isn't any enjoyment.
Very good. Next.
There is some soap. Is there any soap? There isn't any soap.
Very good. Next.
There is some oil.
meat.
Is
Is
there
there
any
some
oil?
meat?
There
There isn't
isn't
any
any oil.
meat.
Good. Next.
There is some tea. Is there some tea? There isn't any tea.
Very good. Next.
There is some air. Is there any air? There isn't any air.
Good. Next.
There is some tea. Is there any tea? There isn't any tea.
There is
There's
some
is there any
sky.
tea? There isn't
Is
any
there
tea.
some sky? There isn't any sky.
Good.
There are some tennis.
Next
Is
sentence.
there some tennis? There
Yeah.
isn't any tennis.
Good. Next.
There is some milk. Is there some milk? There isn't any milk.
Very good. Next.
There is some
Now-
gas.
Water. There isn't any water.
Very good. Next.
There is some traffic. Is there some traffic? There isn't any traffic.
Very good. Next. Next.
There is some sanitizer. Is there some sanitizer? There isn't sanitizer.
Any sanitizers? Next.
There is some
gold.
hope.
Is there some gold? There isn't any gold.
Next.
There is
There
some
is-
hope. Is there any hope? There isn't any hope.
Good. Yes, ma'am.
There is some weather. Is there some weather? There isn't any weather.
Sir,
Next.
There is some jaggery. Is there any jaggery? There isn't any jaggery.
Any jack. Very nice. Very nice, Shivdas. Yes, Usama, ask.
सर डिटर्मिनर्स एंड क्वांटिफायर्स का पेज कौन से पेज पे है सर वो रीडिंग मटेरियल में?
It is there. Determiners and quantifiers, page number. Just let me show you. There it is. Page number 87.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you, sir.
All right, guys. Now let's go for the next one. Next one is what? A lot of. Now we are going to make sentences with a lot of. A lot of. Okay. We are going to make sentences with a lot of. A lot of. Pebble means कंकरी. छोटे छोटे पत्थर रहते हैं ना, कंकरी. छोटे पत्थर रहते हैं, छोटे छोटे दगड असतात ना, त्याला म्हणतात पेबल. Okay. Next one. Now, pebble. Let's go. Plural countable noun, a lot of. Next one, according to our chart. आता next काय? Sum झाला आपला. Next, what is the next? A lot of. We are using a lot of with countable noun as well as uncountable noun. Okay. We can use a lot of with countable as well as uncountable noun. For example, plural countable noun with a lot of. A lot of means what? बहुत, खूब. है का नहीं? अपन कैसे बोलते हो? There are a lot of glasses. वहाँ पे बहुत सारे glasses हैं. Are there a lot of glasses? क्या वहाँ पे बहुत सारे glasses हैं? There aren't any glasses. वहाँ पे कोई glasses नहीं है. There are a lot of glasses. तिथं खूप glasses आहेत. Are there a lot of glasses? तिथं खूप glasses आहेत का? There aren't any glasses. तिथं काही glass काही नाही है. Okay. Very simple. Plural countable noun with a lot of. And please make sentences one by one. एक के बाद अच्छे
सर
से
आपकी आवाज घूम रही है बहुत.
वो किरण की वजह से घूम रही है शायद. Okay, so one by one you have to make sentences. Okay, so first Jyotsna ma'am, second Chaitanya madam, next Usama, next Kiran, next Karthik, next Guddu, next Pradeep, next Shivdas, and next once again Jyotsna ma'am. Okay, chalo once again start.
सर आपकी आवाज डबल आ रही है सर, गूंज रही है.
Lovebirds बसले तर तिथं किरण आणि कार्तिक. चला make sentences please.
There are a lot of beads. Are there a lot of beads? There aren't any beads.
Good. Next.
There are a lot of trees. Are there a lot of trees? There aren't any trees.
Very good. थोड़ा ओरडून बोलायचं मैत्रीण.
There,
Next.
there are a lot of cupboards. Are there cupboard? There are a lot of cupboard. There are a lot of cupboard. Are there any cupboard?
Cupboard.
Cupboards? There aren't any cupboards.
Cupboards. Next.
There
Cupboards,
are
na sir?
Cupboards.
S, no? Okay.
Cupboards. Plural.
there are lot of boxes. Are there lot of boxes?
A lot of.
A lot of classes.
There aren't
They aren't lot of. They
any.
aren't. They aren't any classes.
Very good. Next.
There are little. Hello.
Yeah, Kiran.
There are lot of balls. Are there a lot of balls? There aren't any balls.
Good. Next. Next.
There are a lot of low apple. Are there a lot of low apple? There are lot of there aren't a lot of
Any.
any low apple.
Love apples. Love apples.
Love apples.
Plural. Next. Pradeep.
There are lot.
Yeah.
There are lot of
Yes. Shivdas.
There are a lot of
There
islands.
are
Are there lot of islands? There aren't any islands.
Shivdas has some internet problem. There are a lot
there
of islands.
are there are a lot of lions. Are there
Are there a lot of lions?
are there a lot of lions? There aren't any lions.
Lions. Very
Any
good.
lions.
Next.
Lions.
There are a lot of restaurants. Are there a lot of restaurants? There aren't any restaurants.
Good.
There are a lot of wizards. Are there a lot of wizards? There aren't any wizards.
Very good.
There are a lot of branches. Are there a lot of branches? There aren't any lot of. They aren't any branches.
Very good. Next.
There are a lot of arenas. Are there lot of arenas? There aren't any arenas.
Very good. Next.
There are a lot of models. Are there any models? There aren't any models.
There are a lot of hotels. Are there a lot of hotels? They aren't any hotels.
Good. Next. Yes.
There
There
are
are a lot of forts. Are there a lot of forts? There aren't any forts.
Good. Shivdas.
there are a lot
there is a lot of there any dam.
Actually,
There are a lot of scuffle.
That's why I'm not listening you well. Yeah, Pradeep.
There are a lot of scuffle. Are there any scuffle? There aren't any scuffle.
Scuffles.
Scuffles.
there are a lot
Very
of
good.
colleges. Are there a lot of colleges? There aren't any colleges.
Very good. Jyotsna ma'am.
There are a lot of churches. Are there a lot of churches? There aren't any churches. Yes or yes, sir?
Yes. Churches.
Okay, sir.
Very good. Next.
There are a lot of grounds. Are there a lot of grounds? There aren't any grounds.
Good. Next. Next. Osama.
There are oh I gonna sir. There are a lot of armchairs. Are there a lot of armchairs? There aren't any armchairs.
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 There are a lot of
Bars.
Are there any bar? There aren't any bars.
Bars.
There are a lot of pubs.
Bars.
Are there a lot of pubs? There aren't any.
Good. Next.
There are a lot of hospitals. Are there a lot of hospitals? They aren't any hospitals.
Good. Next.
There are a lot of
There are
cabs.
a lot of
Are there?
a lot of speakers.
cabs.
There aren't any speakers.
Speakers. Caps. Repeat once again, Kiran.
There are a lot of cabs. Are there any? Are second one?
Are there any caps?
Are there any cabs? There aren't any cabs.
Okay, one more round, please. There are a lot of.
There are a lot of diaries. Are there a lot of diaries? There aren't any diaries.
Very good. Next.
Sir, IES लगेगा?
Yeah, IES. Diaries. Next.
There are a lot of birds. Are there any birds? There aren't any birds.
Good. Next.
There are a lot of noise. Are there any noise? There aren't any noise.
Very good. There are a lot of noise. There is a lot of noise. Actually, noise is uncountable.
Okay, sir.
Good. Continue.
There are a lot of parrots. Are there a lot of parrots? There aren't any parrots. 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 There aren't any parrots.
Good. Next. Okay. Now we are going to make sentences with a lot of with uncountable nouns. We are going to use a lot of with uncountable nouns. A lot of with uncountable nouns. Okay. A lot of with uncountable nouns. For example, there is a lot of air. There is a lot of air. Is there a lot of air? There isn't any air. वहाँ पे बहुत हवा आ रही है. क्या वहाँ पे बहुत हवा है? वहाँ पे कोई हवा वगैरह कुछ नहीं है. Okay. There is a lot of money. I have a lot of money. Do I have a lot of money? I don't have any money. There is a lot of noise. बहुत ज़्यादा आवाज आ रहा है. Is there a lot of noise? There isn't any noise. Getting it?
Hello.
A lot of with uncountable nouns. I want you to make sentences with uncountable nouns with a lot of. Yes, make sentences, please. Jyotsna
There is a
ma'am.
lot of
A lot of.
peace.
There
Is
is
there-
a lot of. Yes, done.
There is a lot
There
of
is-
peace. Is there
There is
any
a
peace?
lot of
Ma'am,
Wait, ma'am. Yes, make.
there is a lot of peace. Is there any peace? There isn't any peace.
Good. Next.
There is a lot of food.
Is there a lot of?
Food.
Repeat.
Are there a lot of food? There aren't any lot of food.
So can you please repeat once again what to tell exactly? So, what
There
sentence?
is a lot of. We are going to make sentences with uncountable nouns with a lot of. There is
Okay,
a
sir.
lot of. For example, there is a lot of air. Is there a lot of air? There isn't any air. There is a lot of money. Is there a lot of money? There isn't any money. A lot of with uncountables.
So
Okay.
voice. Sir, voice.
Yeah. Voice is
Voice,
uncountable.
voice. सर लेकिन उसको
Uncountable.
डेसिबल में मतलब गिन सकते हैं उसको.
वैसे तो लीटर में पेट्रोल को भी गिनते हैं. बट
Yeah,
एक्चुअली
yeah,
उसको गिनते हैं क्या अपन वॉइस को?
Yes, yes.
नहीं, जिसको फिंगर पे नहीं गिनते वो अनकाउंटेबल है, तो वैसा वॉइस भी अनकाउंटेबल रहेगा. उसको
Okay, sir.
फिंगर पे नहीं गिनते. गुड बॉय. ज्योत्सना
Thank you,
मैम.
thank you.
yes. There is a lot of wood. Is there a lot of wood? There isn't any wood.
Very good. Next.
There is a lot of voice. Is there any voice? This
Is there a lot of voice?
is there any lot of this any
There isn't any voice.
yes.
There is lot of time. Is there lot of time? There isn't any time.
There is a
Very
lot of news. Is there a lot of news? There isn't any news.
Good. Next.
There is lot of alcohol. Is there lot of alcohol? There isn't any alcohol.
Alcohol.
There is a lot of wood. Is there a lot of wood? There isn't any wood.
There
Good.
is
Next.
There is a lot of
There
cheese.
is
Is there a lot of cheese? There isn't any cheese.
Good. Next.
There is lot of curd. Is there a lot of curd? There isn't a lot. There isn't any curd.
Very good, boy. Next.
There is a lot of.
there is a
Is there a lot of work? There isn't any.
Very good. Chaitali.
there is a
Next.
lot
There is a lot
any
of energy. Is there a lot of energy? There isn't any energy.
Very good. Next.
There is lot
there
of
is
beauty.
a
Is
lot
there
of
lot of
enjoyment. Is there is any enjoyment? There is isn't any enjoyment.
There is
Enjoyment.
a lot of advice. Is there a lot of advice?
Enjoyment.
There isn't any advice.
Very good advice. Next.
There is lot of beauty. Is there lot of beauty? There isn't any beauty.
Good. Next.
There is a lot of life. Is there is any life? There isn't any life.
Any life. Next.
There is lot of
There is a lot of
distractions.
enjoyment. Is there a lot of enjoyment? There
Comfortable.
any enjoyment?
Enjoyment.
There is a lot of
Advice.
honesty. Is there a lot of honesty? There isn't any honesty.
There is lot of advice. Is there lot of advice? There isn't any advice.
Good. Next.
There is a lot of work. Is there a lot of work? There isn't any work.
Very good. Shivdas.
There is a lot of time. Is there a lot of? Is there a lot of time? There isn't any time.
Chaitali.
There is a lot of alcohol. Is there a lot of alcohol? There isn't any alcohol.
Jyotsna ma'am.
There is a lot of energy. Is there a lot of energy? There isn't any energy.
Kiran.
There
There is a lot of male. Is there is any male? There is isn't any male.
Pest.
Very good. Any male. Guddu.
There is a lot of salt. Is there a lot of salt? There isn't any salt.
Next.
There is lot of food. Is there lot of food? There isn't any food.
Very good. Kiran.
There is lot of distraction. Is there any distraction? There isn't any distraction.
Good. Next. Destruction. Destruction. Both are very different. Very good. Osama.
There is a lot of cloth. Is there any cloth? There isn't any cloth.
Cloth. Very good. Continue. Jyotsna ma'am.
There is a lot of luggage. Is there a lot of luggage? There isn't any luggage.
Very good. Chaitali.
There is a lot of milk. Is there a lot of milk? There isn't any milk.
Good. Next. Karthik.
There is lot of gas. Is there lot of gas? There isn't any gas.
Kiran.
There is a lot of land. Is there any land? There isn't any land.
Good. Guddu.
There is a lot of cheese. Is there a lot of cheese? There isn't any cheese.
Next. Shivdas.
There is a lot of gas.
There is a lot of leather.
Is there
Is there a lot of leather? There isn't any leather.
Good. Next.
There is a lot of plastic. Is there a lot of plastic? There isn't any plastic.
Good. Pradeep.
there is a lot of toothpaste? Is there is any toothpaste? There isn't any toothpaste.
Very good. Chaitali. Chaitali. Kiran.
There is a lot of toothpaste. Is there a lot of toothpaste? There isn't any toothpaste.
Good. Kiran.
There is lot
Karthik.
of news. Is there lot of news? There isn't any news.
Good. Osama.
There is a lot of food. Is there any food? There isn't any food.
Guddu. Shivdas.
There is a lot of success. Is there any success? There isn't any success.
Good. Shivdas. Pradeep. Pradeep. Shivdas.
There is a lot of meat. Is there a lot of meat? There isn't any meat.
Very good. Jyotsna ma'am, once again, please.
There is a lot of sky. Is there a lot of sky? There isn't any sky.
Next.
There is a lot of gas.
There is a lot of life. Is there a lot of life? Isn't any life?
Good. Osama.
There is a lot of sports. Is there a lot of sports? There isn't any sports.
See, sport is countable, but sport particular name is uncountable. For example, cricket is uncountable, football is uncountable.
Okay, sir. There is a lot of tennis. Is there a lot of tennis? There isn't any tennis.
Good. Karthik.
There is lot of time. Is there lot of time? There isn't any time.
Very good. A lot of, huh? A lot of. Kiran. Guddu.
Yes, sir. There is a lot of gas. Is there a lot of gas? There isn't any gas.
Pradeep.
There is a lot of mail. Is there a lot of mail? There isn't any mail.
Shivdas.
There is a lot of cheese. Is there any cheese? There isn't any cheese.
Hi, dost. I order late.
There is a lot of cloth. Is there a lot of
थोडं
cloth?
काम
There
होतं.
isn't any cloth.
अरे कामानंतर करायचे आपल्याला पण आधी क्लास बघायचा. शिवदास.
There is a lot of time. Is there a lot of time? There is a any.
एक मेल फॉरवर्ड करत होतो.
शिवदास.
There is a
There is lot of space. Is there a lot of space? There isn't any space.
Any doubts to anyone?
no, sir.
No question?
No, sir.
Yeah. So sorry for today. Actually, I was in a meeting and that meeting took me long time. That's why I started your classes 10 minutes late. Don't worry, we'll be continuing this tomorrow. Okay. Please keep on practicing at home. And if you have any questions, you can ask me directly. All right.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir.
Thank you.
Oh.
See you.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
See you, sir.
Bye.